As the world continues to shift and transform enterprise business landscapes into digital atmospheres, the best computing solutions act on data insights for real-time processing and deliver intelligent results. Especially with faster, power-efficient cores jam-packed into smaller silicon dies and 5G edge connectivity on the horizon, the next generation of embedded IoT solutions will consolidate the most complex workloads and enable machine learning and artificial intelligence. On behalf of Premio and our incredible engineers, we welcome our partners to explore our solutions for powerful processing and connectivity at the edge. A place where intelligent robotics and factory automation comes alive. A place where machines learn to optimize for better efficiency and productivity on the factory floors. And finally, a place where real-time processing and results drive better business decisions. Welcome to Rugged Edge Computing. For over 30 years, Premio has built a reputation for world-class computer engineering and scalable manufacturing in the USA for our industrial-grade computers. Our teams of engineers collaborate with our partners to solve complex challenges by providing rugged solutions in embedded IoT computers, rugged edge computers, and human-machine interface displays.